Lena, what you doing? Wait, can you come here and show me something? Come here. How did that happen?
I didn't know.
What?
I didn't know.
But then what is this for?
I did it.
You did?
Yeah, but I'm sorry.
You sure?
Yeah.
Why did you color on it?
I was wiping it, but I
You
didn't
don't-
expect to do it.
But it's a marker. You know that marker's color.
I know, but this is the other side of it, and it does it. So Daddy made a hole in it.
What?
I didn't know.
No what?
I'm not saying.
No, can you tell me what happened?
Daniel did it, so you couldn't do it.
Daniel didn't do it.
What?
Daniel didn't do it. She wasn't here before.
Me.
You did it?
Yeah,
Why?
'cause I wanted to.
But you know not to color on things. You only color on paper.
I know, but I just wanted to color on it.
And why did you stick it in here?
What?
Why did you put it in there?
So nobody can see it.